Hello students, we shall start with the logarithm today. Before we will see exponential quantity. So 8 is equal to q is exponential. Maybe you got exponential. Now y is equal to a raised to x is an exponential quantity. Here first condition is that a should be greater than 1. Why? Because suppose a is minus 2 or let us say minus 4. X can be a real number. So y is equal to minus 4 raised to 1 by 2. Suppose x is equal to 1 by 2. So answer is plus minus 2i. Since this exponential function is a real function, we have to avoid negative values. So y is equal to a raised to x. A must be greater than 0. Suppose a is equal to 0. Suppose a is equal to 0. Then y is equal to a raised to x as 0 raised to x as such no meaning. As such no meaning in exponential function. So a cannot be equal to 1 also. Why? A cannot be equal to 1. So a is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Again is not exponential. Again is not exponential. So in the function y is a raised to x, a is called base. Base has to be greater than 0, cannot be equal to 1. This is the condition. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Next point is, so what is root of a real number? Always 2. 2 root 2. Root 4 is equal to 2 only. It is not root 4 is not equal to plus minus 2. Remember it. We will learn afterward this point. So y is always positive. Y is always positive. X is a real number. A is greater than 0. A is not equal to 1. This condition for an exponential function. What is the condition for exponential function? Y is greater than 0. X belongs to a real number. A is greater than 0. A is not equal to 1. This is called exponential function. Now example is y is equal to 2 raised to x, y is equal to 3 raised to x, etc. Y is equal to 10 raised to x, y is e raised to x. E is a constant mass. 0, 1, I, E, pi are constant in mass. So E is called Neperian constant, Neperian constant or Euler's constant. Now logarithm is actually anti or inverse of exponential function. Logarithm is inverse of exponential function. Logarithm is inverse of exponential function. How? We will see now. So y is equal to a raised to x. We know this is the exponent, this is the base, this is a number. Now how do you write logarithm is? Logarithm of y to the base a is equal to x. Now x is, earlier y was the argument. See, earlier y was a number, now x is answer, just inverse of it. They are said to be inverse of each other. Logarithm of is inverse of exponential function. Now for example, let us see what is exactly, how do you write this? 32 is equal to 2 raised to 5. Now what is logarithm of 32? Logarithm of 32 to the base 2 is equal to 5. Or we will define logarithm now. What is logarithm? When a number is expressed in exponential form, the exponent is logarithm. Again, a number is expressed in exponential form, exponent is called logarithm. We will write the definition. When a number is expressed in I'll change the ink, expressed in exponential form, exponent is called logarithm. Now let us see. Take like 2 examples. Again I told you 8 is equal to 2 cube. So this is exponent or power or index. This is the base. So logarithm of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Logarithm of 8, could you follow it? Logarithm of 8, this come here. Logarithm of 8 to the base is equal to 3. If I write it like this, logarithm of 243 to the base 3 is equal to 5. How do you write this one? So 243 is equal to 3 raised to 5. This is inverse relation. 243 is equal to 3 raised to 5. Now we will do some examples. This logarithm of, so y is a raised to x. Suppose this is log y is equal to a to the base x. This is called argument. This y is called argument. Y is called argument. So this x. Let us see some examples. Examples are logarithm of 5 to the base 25 is equal to k. Find the value of k. Find it out. Let us find. How is that? Logarithm of y to the base a is equal to x means. How do you write? We write y is equal to a raised to x. Here I will write. Here is y is 5. 5 is equal to 25 raised to k. 5 is equal to 25 raised to k. That is 25 is equal to 5 square. Therefore 5 is equal to 5 raised to 2 the whole square. 5 raised to 2k. That is 5 raised to 1 is equal to 5 raised to 2k. Base is same, so index must be same. So 2x is equal to 1. 2k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1 by 2. This is answer. Could you get it? Let us take another example. Logarithm of 1 by 2 to the base 128 is equal to k. Find k. So 121 by 2 it go like this. 1 by 2 is equal to 128 raised to k. What is 128? 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. 2 raised to 6 is equal to 32. 2 raised to 6 is equal to 64. 2 raised to 7 is equal to 128. That is 2 raised to minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to 7 the whole raised to k. 2 raised to minus 1 is 2 raised to 7. 2 raised to minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to 7. 2 raised to 7k. Therefore 7k is equal to minus 1. K is equal to minus 1 by 7. is a logarithm. So logarithm of 1 by 2 to the base 128 is equal to minus 1 by 7.